Picture this. You're waking up to the gentle glow of the morning sun, sipping your favorite coffee, and realizing that while you slept, your bank account grew. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the question. Why is this dream a reality for some, but not for others? Are you ready to find out the secrets to unlocking true financial freedom? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 powerful passive income ideas that could change the course of your financial future. Let's face it, most people trade their time for money. You work 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. But what happens if you don't work? For millions, the answer is terrifying: no paycheck. And that's the trap we're escaping today. Creating passive income is about breaking free from this cycle. It's about making your money work for you instead of you working for money. But here's the catch. Most people don't act until it's too late. Don't wait for a financial crisis to force you into action. Instead, let's take control of your financial destiny, starting with the first idea, and trust me, this one might surprise you. Idea number 1, dividend investing. First up, dividend investing. Now, before you yawn and click away, let me ask you this. What if you could get paid just for owning a slice of some of the world's biggest companies? Companies like Coca-Cola or Apple literally pay their shareholders just to stick around. It's called a dividend, and it's like having a golden goose that lays eggs every quarter. Here's the kicker. With the right strategy, you can reinvest those dividends and watch your income snowball over time. The earlier you start, the bigger that snowball grows. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Think about this. Would you rather earn $100 for an hour of work or $100 for doing absolutely nothing? That's the power of dividends. Oh, and by the way, if you're thinking, I don't have enough money to invest, here's a thought. Skip one $5 latte a day, and you'll have over $1,800 by the end of the year to get started. Your future self will thank you. Idea number 2, rental properties. Moving on to number 2, rental properties. Owning real estate can be like having a money machine. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect checks every month. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's the twist. Not all properties are created equal. The key is finding a property in a location where demand outpaces supply. And don't worry, you don't need to be a millionaire to start. Ever heard of house hacking? It's where you live in one part of the property and rent out the rest. Boom, you've got a home and an income stream. Just imagine your tenants covering your mortgage while you build wealth. Exciting, isn't it? But what if I told you there's an even easier way to make money in real estate without ever owning property? We'll get to that shortly. Now let's talk about creating digital products. Imagine this. You spend a month writing an ebook or recording an online course. You put in the work once, and it keeps selling year after year. It's like planting a tree that keeps bearing fruit. Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, and Amazon make it incredibly easy to turn your skills and knowledge into income. The best part? No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit. Here's a tip. Find a niche. The more specific your topic, the better. Why? Because people are willing to pay for specialized solutions. Quick question. What's stopping you from turning that hobby or skill you've mastered into a digital product? Fear? Procrastination? Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. Idea number 4, affiliate marketing. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. This one's for those who love sharing recommendations. Do you rave about your favorite gadgets, books, or services? Companies are willing to pay you a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. Amazon Associates, for example, lets you earn a percentage of sales just by recommending products. With the rise of social media and blogs, affiliate marketing has become a goldmine. Think about it. You're helping others while earning money on the side. It's a win-win. And if you're wondering how to make this truly passive, wait until you hear about idea number 5. Idea number 5, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Finally, let's revisit real estate, but with a twist. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in property without actually owning it. Think of it as owning shares in a massive real estate portfolio. REITs pay dividends just like stocks, and they're managed by professionals, so you can sit back and relax. Fun fact, if you've ever stayed in a hotel or shopped at a mall, chances are a REIT owns it. Kinda cool, right? Now that you know the top 5 passive income ideas, The question is, which one will you start with? Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. Pick one idea, take the first step, and let your journey to financial freedom begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable advice. And tell me in the comments, which passive income idea are you most excited to try? Let's build a community of wealth creators together. See you in the next video.